Imagine this. You've been searching for the perfect home in the Northwest Suburbs of Chicago, and finally you found the one. It checks all of your boxes and you're ready to make an offer. But wait, how do you make sure that your offer stands out? And what if someone else wants the same house? This is one of the most exciting yet nerve-wracking steps in the home buying process, and I'm here to guide you through it all so that you can submit a winning offer with confidence. In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know about making an offer on a home. We're going to cover how offers work, what goes into them, how to make yours stand out, and even what happens after you submit it. Plus, I'll share some insider tips to help you navigate negotiations and avoid common pitfalls. If you're buying a home in the Northwest Suburbs, you won't want to miss this. I'm Mari.L.VanMeter, a local real estate expert here in the Northwest Suburbs of Chicago, and I help buyers like you navigate the home buying process with confidence and clarity. My goal is to make this journey as smooth and stress-free as possible. So if you're thinking about making a move, be sure to hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of my future videos on all things real estate in the area. Okay, let's dive in. Step 1, submitting an offer. More than just the price. Now, you don't just call up the seller and throw in a number. There's a process. Your offer is a formal contract that includes property details, that's the address, legal description, and all the relevant property information, buyer and seller information, who's making the offer and who currently owns the home, the offer amount, the price you're willing to pay, earnest money deposit, which is a good faith deposit that demonstrates your commitment, and buyer's agent compensation strategy. This impacts how your agent is paid and it can affect how your offer is perceived. Now, this contract is legally binding, so it's very important to get it right. Step 2, earnest money, what it is and how much you need. Earnest money is your way of showing that you're serious. Now, typically in the Northwest Suburbs, this is about 1 to 3% of the home price. The more you put down, the stronger your offer looks. Now, my pro tip is that in a competitive market, offering a higher earnest money deposit can make your offer stand out, and it reassures the seller that you're financially committed to the purchase. Step 3, buyer's agent compensation. Who pays? So as of 2024, buyer's agent compensation is now part of the offer contract. You can ask the seller to cover it. This was the most common in the past, but may not always be accepted in a competitive market. Or you can also offer to pay some or all of it yourself. This can strengthen your offer if the seller is comparing multiple bids. We'll strategize together to make sure your offer is competitive while ensuring that you get the representation that you deserve. Now, number 4, contingencies, protecting yourself. Contingencies are conditions that must be met for the sale to go through. They give you an out if something unexpected happens. And here's the most common contingent. Home inspection contingency protects you if major issues are found in the home, like the roof, foundation, plumbing, electrical, etc. Financing contingencies ensure that you're not locked into the contract if your mortgage doesn't get final approval. Appraisal contingency protects you if the home doesn't appraise at the offer price. Clear title contingency confirms that there are no legal claims against the property. And my pro tip here is that if you're in a multiple offer situation, sellers may favor offers with fewer contingencies, but I always recommend that you keep the key protections in place to safeguard your investment. Step 5, closing date. Timing matters. The closing date is when the home officially becomes yours. Sellers often have preferences. Some need to move as soon as possible, while others need extra time. Being flexible at the closing date can give you an advantage. Now, my pro tip is if the sellers need more time to move but would benefit from a quick closing, consider offering a leaseback option. Now, this will allow the seller to stay in the home for a short period of time after closing, making your offer more appealing. Now, step 6, making your offer stand out. If you're competing with other buyers, here's how to strengthen your offer. Offer higher earnest money deposit. This shows you're serious about the purchase. You can also have a flexible closing date matching the seller's preferred timeline can be a huge advantage for you. And a personal letter to the seller explaining why you love the home can sometimes sway a seller's decision, although those aren't always accepted. Now, fewer contingencies can also make a big difference. If you're waiving minor contingencies, it makes your offer more competitive, but never waive essential protections. Covering part of your agent's compensation is another way. This can make your offer stand out if other buyers are asking the sellers to cover it all, or adding creative addendums. If the seller isn't accepting personal letters, a customized addendum might still make an impact. Now, I've seen buyers win competitive situations by offering something unique. For example, one of my clients owns a specialty business for cat lovers, and they included a gift card to the shop that they own, as part of their offer. Now, this small but thoughtful gesture helped us secure their home, and we actually saved $10,000 in the process. My pro tip, if you have a business or a service that might appeal to the seller, we can craft a creative addendum that stands out in ways other buyers might not think of. So to sum it all up, making an offer isn't just about the price, it's about presenting the best overall package. Earnest money, contingencies, closing dates, and even agent compensation all play a role in getting your offer accepted. The key takeaways: your offer is a formal contract that includes multiple factors beyond just price. Earnest money demonstrates your commitment and can strengthen your offer. Buyer's agent compensation now needs to be addressed in the contract. Contingencies protect you, but can also impact how competitive your offer is. And matching the seller's timeline and making strategic adjustments can give you an edge. Last but not least, creative addendums can work wonders in making your offer stand out. Now, if you're thinking about buying a home, you don't have to go through this all alone. I'd love to help. I'm Mari, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more home buying tips. And if you're ready to start your home search, let's chat. You can call, text, or email me anytime. My contact information is below, or you can call me at 630-267-1808. I'd love to be your go-to agent here in the Northwest Suburbs. And if you have any questions, you can drop them in the comments below, and I'd love to answer them on a future video. So thanks for watching, and I hope to chat soon.